Good afternoon, everyone. How are you doing? It's the girl Lynette again on the road. I'm just gonna pop over to the road. Look at the weather. The weather is so bad. It's so bad in the UK right now. So I'm walking to the shop real quickly to get buy some things in the store. So this is where I normally go. I go to Morrison's. Yeah, that's where I go. Oh my gosh, a dog just attacked somebody. Whew, that was frightening. Almost run. Oh yeah, I am just going to the store. There's no sunshine, so you need to drink lots of oranges. Milk, I don't really like bread as much as I used to. I need coffee. I need my coffee. Nescafe. I'm not really keen on Nescafe no more. Here again. Oh. Coffee is very expensive. Kenko is quite good. £5. That's pretty much, that's all I need. It's after 4 and look at the weather. My mouth tastes like cake, so I'm gonna get some cake. So come with me. Bye. I've got my cake. So I am happy. Have my coffee and I have my cake, and I'm gonna go and mash it all up. They gotta cut. Hello! Run away? Look, she taped the side down. Oh, looky, looky. I'm excited. Guess what? H&M's closed. Can't believe it. So I'm in River Island. I'm in Sparkle Heaven. £6 for this pair of boots. I need a pair of boots though. I just don't like these bit on it. This is quite nice. Sorry, Zara's moving really, really slow lately. Nothing's always in there. There we go. It's a very busy day in the mall today. See the Gladiator. It's evening time. Everybody's going home. That's a high bloody building over here. Very high. Look at that. Look at it. Beautiful. For me, I'm gonna show you what is so